This is a two-in-one toy made out of a waste. One side which can hold the part as it has a magnet, other side if you insert card A, it will give, and apples, which is a good entertainment for toddlers, learning activities. So let us get into the topic first. I took a rectangle box, then cut it to a shape that I have shown. Inside the box, I have placed a foam, as when we are inserting the card. That card should not stuck into the box itself, so just covering the unwanted space with foam. Next, I have drawn a cat where the opening of the cat mouth and the outcome of the card are cutted and pasted above the box. Wait, this is the point I need to mention. Don't use the paper, as I drawn in paper and pasted above it. It got teared, so use a cardboard above, which you can use this paper. For those who don't need this drawing, just skip this part. next side of the box, again I have drawn the elephant and panda. If you don't please, skip this part too. Where this mouth of the panda and elephant comes there, I have placed a magnet and covered. Now let's make an inserting card. I made a card that contains alphabet from A to Z backside of that alphabet. I have drawn the respective creature for e.g. AA for apple. For now I have skipped that video. If you want, you can check out in my playlist. For making that card, I cutted the cardboard to this small rectangle size and pasted both sides with paper. After drawing is completed, I just used the transparent cello tape to cover it, so it will look glossy and waterproof. That magnet side, I made a coin-sized strawberry and orange out of metal. Now the whole box are wrapped with cello tape again. To make it more attractive, I made a spring button for that draw, a square like this, and cut it and pasted it for the closing box. The size of the square should be little height. This also followed the same procedure inside this box to place the spring, or take a paper like that and fold it. Place it inside that box. Hope you like my video.
A is for apple, so round and so red. B is for butterfly, we gently spread. C is for cat, with a purring sound. D is for duck, water them all around. D is for elephant, big and so grand. F is for fish, swimming in the sand. G is for gun, let's have some fun. H is for hammer, now one by one. Watch it roll, watch it glide down the tower, side to side. Bright colors let spin, building up the joy within. Balls going round, up and down. Laugh and play all over town. Watch it roll, watch it glide down the tower, side to side. Bright colors let spin, building up the joy within. Balls going round, up and down. Laugh and play all over town. Watch it roll, watch it glide down the tower.
In my playlist, I have already uploaded a toddler activities toy making at home camera roller, slider, flashcard.